What's up, my babies? It's your girl MalijahSerenity, and I am back with another video. My camera is looking a little weird. If you watch my vlog, then you will kind of get the whole gist on that. But either way, girl, I'm about to make me something to eat, and I was like, I might as well go ahead and record me doing this. So I'm about to make some shrimp and grits, so y'all can come along with me and watch how I make it, and hopefully y'all can make it. It's honestly really simple. I'm gonna have lobster too, because I just been wanting lobster. But y'all already know how this go. Your girl finna show you all the ingredients that you need first, all the seasonings and all that, so y'all can write it down, go to the store and get it if y'all need it. And that way when I'm seasoning my stuff, y'all just already know what I'm seasoning with. So let's go. Oh yes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone that can use it. Okay, so starting off, I got some Gouda cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, some bacon, my shrimp and lobster. Y'all, let me tell y'all about these grits. So I don't know if it's a Houston thing or if it was just a Kroger I went to, but they only sell instant grits. Like, they do not have the regular grits that just come in the pack that you make. And y'all, I was literally looking for 30 minutes for them to tell me that that's all they had. So we're just gonna use this. Whipping cream, whole milk, sweet mini peppers, optional. You already know what this is. Your girl be having a hard time. Garlic, lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, slap your mammy, Cajun seasoning, onions, and green bell pepper. If I add anything to it, of course, y'all know I'll tell y'all along the way. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my peppers and all of that, just so it's already done, because I don't want this video to be long. I'm hungry and I got so much to do. Okay, y'all, so, oh Lord, I'm gonna cook the shrimp. I'm gonna go in and clean my shrimp. They still kind of frozen, so I'm just gonna put some cold water on them. But y'all, how has y'all week been? My week has been crazy. Like, girl, it's literally been all over the place. But I know things only happen to us, not, well, things happen for us and not to us. So, and I just know everything that has been happening this week is literally just God testing me. So girl, trying to keep my cool, keep my patience, cause ooh child, which I think I've been doing pretty good at, but this week has just been, girl, one for the books. But not in a bad way though, not in a bad way. But I started back going to the gym this week, cause your girl was at the gym for about 2 weeks. So, in which I'm fine with that, because I know, I've just learned to not be so hard on myself, because we're gonna have times where we backtrack, we are humans or whatever. Even though it's so hard, like, I don't like getting off a schedule, because once you're on a schedule and then you get off a schedule, you get off a track, it's literally so hard to get back on track. But I just know I needed that rest, you know. So I just try to be patient with myself. Especially even when I'm like going through things, I try to just be patient with myself and show myself grace, because that's what we need. We don't need to be so hard on ourselves, especially, that's why it's good to like learn yourself and to know when it's time for a break, when it's time to just settle down, when it's time to go hard. And I think it was just my time to just chill out or whatever. So that's what I've been doing. But then, you know, after like a week or two, I'm like, okay, it's time to get back with it. So I already cut up my onions and bell peppers. I didn't cut up that much because it's only me eating it. Okay, y'all, so I already peeled my shrimp and cleaned them as well. And also, I meant to tell y'all, the seasons that I gave y'all is y'all choice. I didn't do too many seasons because I just didn't want it to be overbearing. So yes, I'm gonna take some olive oil and just kind of put it on the shrimp, just a little tiny bit, so I can make sure that the seasonings stick to it. So just a little bit. Y'all can use any type of oil that y'all got, honestly, just to make sure that the seasonings stick. So I'm going to go in with all of the seasons that I told y'all. If you ain't sneezing, then it ain't seasoned. So just put a good bit, but you don't got to put too much, because you don't want it to be too, ooh, I done broke the top. You don't want it to be too salty. So I'm just going in, and it smells so good already. And I didn't even started cooking. I stay talking about something smells good. Slap your mammy. Y'all, this my, like, well, of course I've used it these past couple meals, but this is my first time really using Slap Your Mama. Like, when I moved up here to Texas, I started using it. This is the horseradish sauce, child. And then I'm just go in and mix them a little bit. And I'm guessing like however many people you're cooking it for, what depends on the amount of shrimp you use and the amount of peppers and all of that. So that is seasoned. Okay, so before I cook my shrimp and all of that, because it's literally not going to take that long, I'm going to go in and cook my bacon first so that I can use the bacon grease afterwards to cook my peppers and stuff in. Y'all gonna need a little flour too. I forgot to put it on there to thicken up the sauce. I forgot to take it out. I'm gonna just do like 3 pieces because it's literally 2 pieces might be enough, honestly, but I'm gonna just do 3. Ooh, that heat hot.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So the bacon is done, and I'm just going to take that off and put it on a paper towel. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and throw all of those peppers in there, in that bacon grease. It's going to be so good. Peppers and onions. And like I said, the color, the red and orange peppers and all of that, it's a choice. You don't have to. I just wanted some color up in there. And then the flavor is good as well, so. I'm gonna also go ahead and add a tiny bit of garlic in there as well. And y'all know I love my garlic juice. Y'all, it smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it through this camera, honey. Okay, y'all, and also, I let it cook. You can just let it cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes, just so the peppers and the onions can soften up and won't be so crunchy. But again, if you like yours with a little crunch to it, then you can do it that way. I like mine to be like a little see-through. So next, I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. And y'all know we do not go off of no type of measurements over here. Y'all should already know the vibe. We literally cook to smell, cook to taste, so you can taste it, you know, as you go along. Let me turn this up a little bit more. And then next, I'm going with that flour that I told y'all would need, just to thicken it up a little bit, thicken up your sauce. So about a tablespoon of flour. I will tell y'all that. If I need some more, I'll go and add some more, but put this enough so that your peppers won't have like that flour taste. That's why I went in and added that butter, that extra butter, because even though I had that bacon grease in there, it about cooked out. So that's why I added that extra butter. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more because I want this to cook down enough. I don't want it to have that flour taste. Ooh, this hot. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my heavy whipping cream. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of whole milk as well. Then I'm gonna go in and mix that up, and then you'll notice after a while your sauce starts to thicken up. I'm gonna put a little bit of horseradish sauce. Y'all probably pronouncing that all freaking wrong. Y'all stay correcting me on stuff. Let's mix that in slowly. And then the horseradish sauce is going to give it a little bit of color as well. But I'm also about to taste my sauce in a minute once I let it cook a little bit, just to see what type of seasonings I need to add to it, because you're definitely gonna have to season this up, girl. And I'm finna, while this simmer a little bit, I'm gonna turn it low and I'm gonna cut up my bacon so I can add it back in there. Okay, so I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna take a little seasoned salt, garlic powder, complete season, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of sugar in there. Then I'm gonna also go ahead and add my bacon in there as well. I really wanted to use brown sugar, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even feel like walking to the pantry. So I just, that white sugar is right there. Y'all know I love cooking with my brown sugar. Ooh, y'all, this looks so freaking good. And y'all see how it thickened up real good. So I just tasted it. It tastes amazing. Okay, y'all, so next I'm just going to take a little bit of avocado oil, and I'm gonna go in and cook my shrimp. You could have just added your shrimp in the sauce and let it cook, but I honestly want them to have like a little browning on them. And I have my lobster in the oven too, y'all. I just went ahead and put that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and add my shrimp. Okay, hopefully y'all can hear me, but I'm about to go ahead and cook my grits, and since they instant honey, I just waited last, but I'm still add some flavor to them. So first I'm gonna bring it to a boil. I'm gonna add some chicken broth to it, and I don't have to add that much because it's just me. And then I'm gonna add some whole milk to it as well. The chicken broth is gonna help flavor the grits. So, and I'm just let that come to like a boil, let it get hot, and then I'm gonna add my grits in there. So yeah, girl, while I let that heat up, I just want to say, y'all know how I go my little motivational rant. Yeah, I have not drunk soda in so freaking long. I picked up one today, but yeah, we need to stop using it saying like that's just me, or that's just me, or that's just how I am, because I feel like when you do that, you're limiting yourself to not changing and staying stagnant and staying in one place. Because yes, that may have been you for that season, like in that time, but you got to know that seasons change: fall, winter, spring. So as the seasons change, your season change, whatever circumstance or predicament you're in, you should be changing. So seasons change and you should be changing as well. So stop using like that's just me or that's just how I am, because you can definitely change, and you don't want to limit yourself or put yourself in like a stagnant situation and in a situation to where you don't grow in life. Because girl, we are trying to grow and elevate, period. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go in and add some butter. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt because we already added chicken broth. Are y'all salt and grits or a sugar and grits person? Because I know it's like a difference between the two. Me personally, I like both, because y'all know I love sugar and everything. I literally cook sugar with almost every single freaking meal. Y'all, actually the grits are actually looking good. I'll let y'all know how the instant grits taste, unless I'm just late to the party. Do y'all eat instant grits? I may just be late to the party. So lastly, I'm going to go in and add some sharp cheese and a couple pieces. I love Gouda cheese, y'all. It's so good. Y'all, I don't know how to where I forgot the pepper. Add some pepper in there. Okay, y'all, so the plate is done. And I'm super excited to try it. It looks super good, y'all. Okay, I'm about to try it right now. Y'all could get the first bite. That's very good. The instant grits are actually very good. 10 out of 10. I'm not even gonna lie. Ooh, child, that is so good. So, okay, y'all, I really hope that y'all enjoyed my camera. I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. Please make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see. I have some like soul food videos coming up as well. I just don't cook soul food as much as I used to. Maybe I do, I don't know. I don't cook soul food as much as I used to because that's all we ate growing up, and I just really, I don't know if it's just me, but I get tired of eating the same thing. I grew up eating all that stuff all the time. Pork chops, ribs, macaroni, all that. Even though I can throw down doing that, which I have a video coming of me making macaroni lamb chops, and I forgot what else, but I have it coming up. But I just don't cook it as much because, girl, I be wanting new stuff. So there y'all have it. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for y'all support, and I will see y'all on the next video. And make sure y'all check out all my other videos too, girl.